Okay, so hello guys, my name is Akshay, and last time I made a video about presets, so this is the part 2. You can go and watch in the description. I have shared the link. Okay, so let's get started. Over here, first of all, we'll do the contrast plus 10. We'll do the highlights minus 19. We'll do the shadows around plus 15. Okay, we'll do the whites minus 100, and we'll add blacks minus 50. Okay, we'll do the tone curves later. We'll go to hue and saturation. We'll go red minus 100, orange plus 10, yellows will be minus 70, and greens will be minus 100, aqua will be minus 100, and purple will be plus 100. Yeah, and saturation will do the red minus 30, orange plus 5 will increase, greens plus 25, aqua minus 50, and the blues minus 100. You basically don't need the blue color because we are going for a brown tone, and the purple will be plus 5. Okay, the lumions will do minus 5, and the yellows will do minus 20, and the greens will do minus 55, the aquas minus 10, and the blues will do around 11, and the purple will do 10. Okay, so we come to split tones. Over here I'm gonna select a color between orange and yellow. So 35 looks better. I'll increase the saturation over here around 15. Looks good. And I'll select the shadows around 95, and I'll increase the saturation around 5. We'll go to sharpening. I'll add plus 50, and you can left click, and on your keyboard you need to press Alt, so you can see where the sharpening is added. Then the noise reduction. This is the main part. You'll see the difference in the tones just because of the calibration. I'll show you. We'll keep the hues plus 38 and the saturation minus 50, and greens will do plus 90. Greens will do plus 90 and will increase saturation around plus 50. Okay, then the blues will decrease around minus 20 and will increase the saturation of it plus 15. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, so we'll decrease the clarity over here, and we'll increase the dehaze. Okay, and we'll just play with the tone curves, the highlight and the shadows. We won't do much, but we'll just do the small adjustment. Now I'll add a filter around the model. I'll invert it. I'll increase the highlights, and I'll increase the shadows, and I'll decrease the white to -33. I think I'll decrease the highlights, it's too much, around 31, and the shadows around 67. I'll also increase a little exposure. Then after that I'll add a different filter. Over here I need to show the basketball code like contrasty, so I'll decrease the highlights over here to -100, and I'll increase the contrast around 51. Okay, so guys, this is how I made the presets. You can see the difference between the previous photo and after editing it. You can see over here also the difference. Hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys like the preset also. Please like and subscribe the channel so you can see more content like this. I'm gonna make more preset. I have also talked about this in the last video, so stay tuned for it, and I'll see you on the next video.